My daily clothes is as follows. My first outfit is a t-shirt because this shirt is comfortable to wear when relaxing and not complicated when worn. My second outfit is I usually wear the jacket that I'm wearing now. Wherever I go, I wear this jacket that I wear when I am reading a facial. My third outfit is work clothes because we are required to wear my work. My fourth outfit is long sleeved shirt because the shirt is comfortable for exercising besides producing sweat but comfortable to wear. My last outfit is a cocoa shirt or a shirt and pants with an Islamic feel because I often wear these clothes at big Islamic events. From the beginning, it is a secret or who is in school but who often skip school because of the asthma we suffer from some times is the result of the visitor. So in the end he does go to school because of the but he always think when he does the good class he will finally his listen and family. He does move up the classroom, but he is afraid of his that when it makes him the one right now. From the video above it can be considered that education is so important for youth because with education semua can improve. It learning to read one and others with education everyone. Definitely when to be a smart and intelligent person and want to achieve the dream that you want to achieve. In the future, this goes as a very important role in the teaching our students about the lesson that we will teach our students in the